I am very privileged and honored to be here in Guadalajara. It was 42 years ago that I graduated from this wonderful school, and today's a milestone. It's the first class that is able to graduate in 4 years and go back to the country. Well, I've really never left it very much. It's been in my heart since I graduated, and I have visited the university many times and sit on its advisory board. So I've sat on that board for the last probably 8 years. There's an acute shortage of doctors, and there's an acute shortage of doctors that are both bilingual and bicultural. So it's important for them to get back home as quickly as possible. U.S. schools are 4 years, and for many years, the Universidad de Guadalajara was a 5-year school. So it took about 3 years of intense negotiations between the leadership of the university to be able to comply with all federal and state rules in order to get a 4-year program admitted into the medical schools in the United States. It's also a very significant financial situation for the students that get loans to come and live out of home. So this puts everything on an even score to come to the university. Whether they can transfer in 2 years or do the 4 years here in Guadalajara, they can go back home and with a medical degree and then start their training in the U.S. or Puerto Rico, wherever they head on back. I think the quality of education is excellent. One of the programs that we're emulating is the University of California, San Francisco. We've been able to have discussions. We've implemented some of their curricula. The doctors that we need are doctors that have to also understand the culture. It's not only being bilingual, it's really being bicultural. And I think having an experience outside of the United States, seeing how medicine is practiced in other countries is an extremely valuable asset to the people who go back and are able to treat local communities who need family practitioners, who need people that understand them in their language. So it's extremely important. They'll get a job. The message to the students is a message of empowerment, where they have to have strength to deal with things, and also for them to be encouraged. They're going to get into very good programs in the United States. They have to be patient and sometimes, maybe do a little extra training when they go back home, but they have to go back with ethics. That this university is an extraordinary school for ethics. They put a lot of strength and value into ethics. So they're going to go back, they're going to keep their practices, they're going to practice well, they're going to go into the communities. And I think that it's not only the importance of graduating the doctors, it is the importance of what those doctors are going to do in a society. They are going to treat tens and tens of thousands of people, the kids that came out today, and they're going to do so much good. So they'll be wonderful ambassadors for the University of Guadalajara in the United States and in Puerto Rico, for sure.